Hello, students. Are you ready for another new topic of grammar? Children, before starting, let us quickly remember what we have already learned about subject, object, and verb. Let's understand it with an example. Rubina is eating pizza. Children, here who is doing the action? It's Rubina. So, Rubina is the subject here. Now, what is the action performed by Rubina? It is eating. So, it is a verb. And what is she eating? Or who is at the receiver end? It's pizza. So, it is an object. Students, please note, to identify an object, we use what or whom question. In this case, we used what to identify the object. Children, I hope now you all are clear what is subject, object, and verb. Let's look into the main topic of today, which is transitive and intransitive verbs. What is a transitive verb? Transitive verb is an action that have a direct object to receive that action. So children, it is an action verb with a direct object. Let's look into a sentence example to make things clear. The pilot landed the antique airplane. Children, landed here is an action performed by the pilot, which is a subject. In this case, and it has a receiver, which is the airplane. So, the man is the subject who is doing the action of landing, and it has a direct object, that is airplane. So, children, landed here is a transitive verb. Let's look into some more sentence example having transitive verbs. She played the piano. Here, who is doing the action? It is she. So, she is the subject here. And what is the action performed by she? It is played. So, it is a verb. And what she played or who is at the receiver end? The piano. So, it is an object. Students, please note, to identify any object, we use what or whom question. In this case, we used what to identify the object. So, played is a transitive verb. Let's look into one more example to make things more clear. Sarah baked a cake. Here, baked is the action performed by Sarah, and cake is the direct object on which the action is performed. So, it is a transitive verb. Children, now that we are clear about transitive verbs, let's look into intransitive verb. What is an intransitive verb? Intransitive verb is an action that does not have a direct object to receive that action. So, it is an action verb without a direct object. Let's look into a sentence example to make things clear. Jack is reading. Children, here Jack is the subject. Is reading is the action. But we cannot say Jack is reading what? In other words, there is no direct object to receive the action. So, it is an intransitive verb. Let's look into some more sentence example having intransitive verbs. Sarah bakes daily. Here, bakes is intransitive verb as there is no direct object linked with Sarah. Let's look into the next example. She walks quickly. Here, walks is intransitive verb as there is no direct object linked with she. Next example. The pilot landed carefully. Children, here landed is intransitive verb as there is no direct object linked with the subject the pilot. Or it does not answer the question landed what or whom. So it is a intransitive verb. With this, I hope now you all are clear about intransitive verbs. Children, let us practice with some more sentence examples. Tell me what each sentence is using, a transitive or intransitive verb. Let us look at the first sentence. Kenny taught the class. Children, here in this sentence, Kenny is the subject, taught is the action verb. Now ask the question, Kenny taught whom? Do we get the answer? Yes. So it is a transitive verb. Second sentence, he sits around too often. Now children, he is the subject, sits is the action verb. Ask the question, he sits what or he sits whom? Do we get the answer? No. So it is an intransitive verb. Now let us have a look at the third one. Rob ran the marathon in under 2 hours. Children, here Rob is the subject, ran is the action verb. Ask the question, Rob ran whom or Rob ran what? Do we get the answer? Yes, the marathon. So it is an transitive verb. Next, that boy cries a lot. Now children, in this sentence, boy is the subject, cries is the action verb. Now ask the question, that boy cries what or whom? Do we get the answer? No. So it is an intransitive verb. That's all about transitive and intransitive verbs. Let's quickly revise what you learned in this video. Children, first we discussed what is the subject, object and verb with the help of an example. Then we discussed what is a transitive verb. Yes, it is an action verb with a direct object. Finally, we discussed what is intransitive verb. It is an action verb without any direct object. That's all for today. Thank you and take care of yourself.